Yo, yo, ah, ah, yo, yo, ah. Turn that beat up. Yo, what up, it's your boy. Guess what, you ain't getting no toy. Gonna spit fire in this track. You better have my back. Boy, you look like trash, cause you ain't got no mustache. You know what to do. Get on my level. It's Christmas time here. Pink sheep.
Hazard, tornado. Environment Canada, in conjunction with the National Weather Service, issued a tornado warning for York County, Ontario, Niagara County, and Erie County, New York, in effect until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. An EF3 tornado was spotted by Environment Canada train weather spotters heading southeast at 218 kilometers per hour. Take cover now. Entire stories of well-constructed houses will be destroyed. Severe damage to large buildings such as shopping malls will occur. Trains will be overturned. Trees will be debarked. Heavy cars will be lifted off the ground and thrown. Structures with weak foundations will be badly damaged. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Take cover now. Stand by for further updates regarding this situation.
Drinking beer. I'm the brand new Santa Claus, and I ain't got no flaws. Now here's a little twist. Y'all were on my naughty list, trying to get some free gifts. I bet y'all don't even lift. I was sitting at home staring at the chimney, when suddenly I had a strong feeling.